The following short video shows Halifax and District ARS Club member Matt Hardy, M7EUP, replying to a CQ call and then calling CQ on the 20-metre amateur band using SSB. The first QSO shows Matt replying to a CQ from a portable station, who is in the field activating an award site, such as a summit on the air. Note the heavy noise on the HF band making copy difficult, which is not uncommon, and the careful and clear use of the phonetic alphabet to spell out call signs and key information. Note how quickly Matt handles the QSO to exchange only the signal report, name and location. You will hear a large number of stations trying to call the award site activator after Matt signs off, so Matt is using good operating etiquette to keep the call short and hand the frequency back to the activator. This brief exchange of format is sometimes called a rubber stamp QSO.
Again soon. G1PIE, G8XDD2 to be clear, and listening to the frequency. Cheers, Mark.
Goodbye, Dave.
QRZ.
Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa.
Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa. Hello, Matt. Thanks very much for the call. You're 5 and 7. 5 and 7, QSL.
QSL all received. Thank you, Dave. Yeah, your signal report is also 5 and 7, 5 and 7. QTH here is Hebden Bridge in West Yorkshire, over.
Yeah, very good indeed, Matt. Thanks very much indeed for the 5 and 7 from Hebden Bridge. Location here is Borden. Borden, about 25 miles north of the city of Portsmouth. Many thanks for the call, 73.
Thanks very much, Dave, and all the best and good luck with the activation this morning. G8XDD Portable, Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa, 73.
Cheers, Matt, 73. Gold 8 X-ray, after that, Gold 5, whiskey.
Some amateur bands use calling frequencies, which are specific frequencies shown in the band plan where most stations will go to call CQ. FM channels on VHF and UHF, like 145.5 MHz, use this system, and unlike most HF bands, these specific frequencies are usually monitored by local stations listening for activity on the band. Where a calling frequency is shown in the band plan, only a short CQ call is usually necessary. The calling frequency is used by many stations, and it's good operating practice and etiquette to only use the frequency to call CQ and then arrange another clear frequency to complete the QSO with the other station. The second call shows Matt making a CQ call on the 20-metre amateur band using SSB. There are no set calling frequencies here, so Matt's CQ call will need to be longer and repeated more often to allow time for other stations to find him. Again, note the good operating etiquette, with Matt first calling very briefly to ask if the frequency is in use and then listening carefully. There may be a station already on that frequency that Matt cannot hear. Since he is not working a station experiencing high call numbers, the QSO is more relaxed and can go into more detail about the station information and other subjects. Amateurs call this informal QSO a rag chew. Again, Matt is making full use of the phonetic alphabet to ensure the other station gets accurate information.
Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa checking. Is the frequency in use and listening? Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa checking. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa listening. Nothing heard. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa calling CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa is standing by. CQ on the 20-metre band and listening.
Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa, Sierra Papa 9, Radio Tokyo Kilo.
Sierra Papa 9 Radio Tokyo Kilo. Good morning. My name is Matt, Mike Alpha Tango Tango, and I'm located in Hebden Bridge in West Yorkshire. Over.
Hello there. Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa Sierra Papa 9 Radio Tokyo Kilo. Thank my friend Matt. My name is Didi, Zulu India Bravo India. My today is Hermy Hotel Echo Radio Bravo. Vitam Sokowa City Poland. Report for you is 559. Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa Sierra Papa 9 Radio Tokyo Kilo.
Sierra Papa 9 Radio Tokyo Kilo, Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa. Thank you very much, Zibby. Your signal report here is 57. That's 57. Good audio. Thank you very much for answering my CQ call. Over.
Hello there. Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa Sierra Papa 9 Radio Tokyo Kilo. Thanks for the airport 57. My radio is item 7 down and under. Fire 16 back. Fire 16 back. Until around by a giant fighting motor. 73 for my friend Matt. My 7 Echo Uniform Papa Sierra Papa 9.
Thank you very much, Zibby. Your audio is disappearing into the noise right now, but I received all of your working conditions information. My working conditions here are Yaesu FT-DX10. That's into an end-fed half-wave antenna and currently running 25 watts. Sierra Papa 9, Romeo Tango Kilo, Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa.
73, good luck, my friend.
Thank you very much, Zibby, and all the best to you. Have a great day. Sierra Papa 9, Romeo Tango Kilo, Mike 7 Echo Uniform Papa. All the best, and 73.
73.
And finally, there are many different modes of communication, and the band plans allow for centres of activity. These are frequencies around which you will stand the best chance of making a contact in that mode. Try to avoid the exact spot frequency shown on the band plan for lengthy conversations, and allow for the fact that some homemade transmitters may only operate on a single crystal-controlled fixed frequency and cannot move. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to check the video description where you'll find additional information about the video you've just watched, along with links to products used and to the Hadai's website. If you enjoyed this presentation, please feel free to hit that like button. Maybe you'd also consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so we can let you know the next time we release another video. Thanks again for watching.